fire alarm door switches. Now on a Saturday, the micro switch store isn't exactly open, so you have to rig something up. And of course, you got different panels. You've got like this one's Johnson Controls, which is identical to a 320. You've got 640, you got Notifier, you got Miracom, you got EST, and you've got Simplex. So all the cabinetry is going to be a little bit different. So even if you did have a dozen or so micro switches, the chance of them fitting on a Saturday would be pretty slim. However, Lowe's is open, and Lowe's you can buy nylon screws, and you can make your own door switch. Now, these panels are hooked up to email alerts and text alerts, so the security guard is going to get, they're going to get notified. And the property manager is going to also get notified. And there's about 5 other accounts that they have. So they have like a regional, and they have a local property manager. They have a live-in superintendent, and they also have a part-time security guard for the nighttime. So altogether, there's about 5 accounts. So let's just see how it works and how I rig this up. So the panel goes into what's called auxiliary trouble, and it already goes to email. So the one on the right is email. The one on the left is SMS text. And although it does say auxiliary trouble, I've programmed the phones to say door open. Okay, now this particular panel, this works on Notifier and Johnson Controls because they have a contact in there for auxiliary trouble. They also have an actual door contact jack for this. This is my door. It's my door switch. It's something I rigged up. They have that, but it comes in, and it's fine. It comes in as security. That's fine, but it latches, and we didn't really want it to latch. So let's take a look at how I did this, and hopefully it's bright enough. So all that is a T-bracket that I bought at Lowe's. You can buy that retail. And then you have to insulate it with those nylon screws. You have to insulate it with those nylon screws. And then you have to also insulate this. Now, again, this is temporary because I do have some micro switches that are starting to come in now. So this one I've already replaced it, but this one does work. So here's the micro switch, or sorry, the door switch, the homemade one. And now it's texting me that the door is restored, and it'll say system normal. And there's my new micro switch. You can barely see it. Right. So this one I did on Saturday. The micro switch store wasn't open, and then once the micro switch came in, it was on back order. I installed it. I haven't finished the wiring yet because I've got 8 to do just in this area, and they want to go province wide on this one. But we'll start off with this 8. This is where they have the most trouble. I mean, people are going to break into the panels, and they're going to steal the batteries and maybe get $5 or $20 or maybe even $50 for used batteries. And it's real. It's going on. But right now we're just running off dollar store batteries, believe it or not, temporarily. Okay, so that's how you can rig up a door switch. And as far as the text alerts, I've done lots of videos on those. You can watch them and see how I do that. It's kind of proprietary at this time, and it's still in beta stage, but it works very beautiful. Thanks for watching. Let me just clear this off. You gotta be careful because you don't want it to bounce. When I shut the door, I do not want it to bounce. But okay, so now system normal. There you go. Email is faster than text. I don't know why. Email is just a little bit faster. Come on, Mr. Text. Come on. Oh, ground fault. Maybe those aren't ground fault. Okay. Oh, did you see that? That was ground fault. It did. It actually said ground fault. Okay, well, it looks like I got lots of work to do here, so that's what I do. Oh, it just cleared. Oh, ground fault's just coming into the text and just clearing. So the text is quite a bit slower. It's like almost a minute there. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching.